Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everyone is doing well. Today,
Walaikum assalam, ma'am.
how are you? How are you, Zainab?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So today, inshallah, we'll be doing lesson number 8 of book 1, Arabic Madinah Reader book 1. And we already,
Okay, ma'am.
the last week, we already read through this, but we can read it once more. I think that will be some good review. We actually finished till exercise 3, or we had to begin exercise 3. We did exercise 1 and 2, but we can read the lesson once more just to refresh our memory. And let's quickly, before we begin, go through what we will learn in this lesson. So let's see. We're going to learn, remember, hadha kitabun. This is a complete sentence. It's a jumla, which means this is a book, right? Hadha is ma'rifa and kitabun is nakira because of the tanween. When we say hadhal kitabu, instead of kitabun with tanween, we say al kitabu, right? Alif lam here. Then what happens is that this means this book. It doesn't mean this is a book, it just means this book. So now it's a fragment. It's a murakkab. Now you have to add something extra in order to complete the meaning. So you have to say something else, like you can say hadha al-kitabu jadidun. Then the jadidun here is nakira, and that becomes the khabar. Okay, so this is what we're learning in this lesson. And all demonstrative pronouns, what are demonstrative pronouns? They are the ism al-ishara, right? We have zalika, hadihi, hada, tilka. All of these are demonstrative pronouns, and all of these can make this type of murakkab. Okay, so ism al-ishara and the musharun ilaih, that's what it's called. So here we have dhalika rajul. So what does this mean? It also means that man. So this together is a murakkab, and then we need to add a khabar. So that man muhandisun. This is nakira, right? So this becomes the khabar. That man is an engineer. So we've done this already in the last lesson. We'll just read through it once more. And what else? All right. So let's begin reading, and then we'll cover the next points as they come. Go ahead, Zainab. Would you like to read?
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead. Ad-darsu
Rajulu
from here. Ad-darsu Thaminu.
Ad-dasur. What is it?
Ad-thaminu. Ad-darsu Thaminu.
Ad-darsu.
Thaminu. Thaminu means 8, right? Lesson 8. Can you see my screen? All right, go ahead, read from here. Hadha rajulu. Can you hear me, Zainab? All right, so while I think she's going to reconnect, Samiha, can you read, please?
Ad-darsu Thani. Lesson 8. هذا الرجل تاجر وذلك الرجل طبيب.
And the meaning?
This man is a merchant.
Very good.
That man and that man is a doctor.
Okay.
اسم التاجر محمود.
اسم التاجري.
اسم التاجر محمود واسم الطبيب سعيد. The name of the merchant is Mahmoud, and the name of the doctor is Said.
Good. Nice.
هذا البيت للتاجر وذلك البيت للطبيب. This house is the merchant's, and that house is the doctor's.
Very good.
بيت التاجر أمام المسجد وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة. The house of the merchant.
Yes, the house of the merchant. Amama means in front.
In front is in front of the masjid, and the house of the doctor is behind the school.
Good.
لمن هذه السيارة ولمن تلك.
Go ahead. The meaning? What does liman mean? Liman هذه السيارة. To whom does this car belong, right?
To whom does this car belong to? ولمن تلك. Is this yours?
And to whom that? Tilka is that,
To
right?
whom that.
Why are we using hadihi here and not hada for this? Because sayyaratu is feminine, right?
Yes.
So we have to use hadihi. Okay.
هذه السيارة للطبيب وتلك للتجار.
للتاجر.
This car belongs to the doctor and that car is the merchant.
Good.
هذه السيارة من اليابان وتلك من أمريكا. This car is from
Japan.
And that car is from America.
Good, very good. Okay, so that was our lesson. In this lesson, we're just looking at a few sentences with this form, right? With this form of murakkab, where we have the Ismul Ishaara and the Musharun Ilaih. Ismul Ishaara, remember, hada, hadihi, tilka, dhalika, right? And also ha'ulai and ulaika. Hada and hadihi mean this, right? They're Ismul Ishaara lil qaribi. What does that mean? For things that are close to you. When things are close to you, you say this. When they're farther away, you say that, right? So hada and hadihi both mean this. Hada is for masculine word. So if the next word is here, a rajulu is masculine, so you use hada. But here, a sayyaratu is feminine. So then you will use hadihi. Similarly, we have dhalika and tilka. Right? Dhalika and tilka are ismul ishara lil ba'idi, for far away. When something is far, you say that, right? So dhalika is for masculine that, and tilka is feminine that. Okay. And whenever we have, because all of these ismul ishara, always remember, all these ismul ishara are ma'rifa, right? What does that mean? They are definite. And so if the next word, then the noun after it is also ma'rifa, the musharun ilayh is ma'rifa, right? All of these, see, we have alif lam here, which shows that it's ma'rifa. It becomes hadha rajulu. Ma'rifa plus ma'rifa, this becomes a murakkab. So this is hadha rajulu, this man. If we say hadha rajulun, right? Make this a tanween here. Make this tanween and make this nakira. Drop the alif lam and make it, put a tanween here and make it nakira, then this becomes a sentence, a complete sentence, which is called a jumla. Remember, for jumla, we need a ma'rifa plus a nakira. So that would be hadha rajulun, means this is a man. It's a complete sentence. But since we don't have that here, this is also ma'rifa. It just means hadha rajulu, that man. This is not complete. Then we need another nakira word to complete it. And this nakira word, tajirun, becomes the khabar. Remember, khabar is always nakira. Okay, so this is what we're doing in this lesson. So let's go on. We've already done exercise 1 and 2. And this was to read. Iqra waqtub. So I want you all to review this and read it once more after the class, inshallah. So let's begin with exercise 3 then. Sister Khadija, would you like to do it?
Actually, I wasn't there for the last few classes, so I don't think I'll be able to do it.
Can you try? I'll help you out. All we have to do is change it on this pattern. So here we have hadha kitabun, which means this is a book, right? And all you have to do is change the second word from nakira. Nakira means indefinite. It has a tanween. You have to change it to ma'rifa. Ma'rifa means you add the alif lam here. Add the alif lam and get rid of the tanween. So kitabun becomes al-kitabu. That's it. Can you try?
Yeah. هذا الكتاب للمدير.
Just a second. Yes, Zainab. I think your mic is
Assalamu
not
alaikum.
working. Walaikum assalam.
Sorry, the phone was off.
That's okay. Sister Khadija is reading now, so I'm going to ask you to read in a little bit, okay? Just listen
Okay.
for now. Okay.
هذا الكتاب للمدير.
This one, it says, so here, we're here. هذا الكتاب لمحمد, right? Over here. Sentence. Oh, so this was the example. Misal. Misal means example. So هذا كتاب means this is a book. And here we change it to هذا الكتاب لمحمد. This book belongs to Muhammad. So the next one here, number 1. Go ahead. هذا طبيب.
هذا طبيب من الهند.
So this is a sentence. What does هذا طبيب mean?
The doctor.
This is a doctor. This is a doctor. Okay. Yeah. And then if we change it to هذا الطبيب, we write alif lam and then write طبيب. هذا الطبيب من الهند. Right? Then what does the meaning become?
The doctor is from India.
Right. This doctor. Because هذا means this. So this doctor is from India. Right. Next.
هذه سيارة للمدير.
Okay. I want you to read this side first and then say the meaning and then do this part. So هذه سيارة. This means this is a car. Mhm.
This is a car.
Good. And then over here, we're going to write it. We're going to change sayaratun to
سيارة.
with alif lam. Yes, and sayaratu. As-sayaratu.
What is the meaning of mudiri?
Mudiri means a principal. Principal of the school, remember? Okay. So here we will write هذه السيارة للمدير. What does this mean now?
This car belongs to the principal.
Right. This car. Over here it is. This is a car. And here it means this car. Good. Next.
ذلك ولد. That is a boy.
Good.
ابن المدرس.
Okay. So what are we going to write here?
ذلك الولد.
Very good. Al-waladu. ذلك الولد. Waladu. We drop the tanween as well. See, this tanween becomes one dam. Okay, next. Next here, number 4. Tilka sa'atun.
That is a watch.
Very good.
الساعة.
تلك الساعة.
تلك الساعة من
Suisra. Suisra is Switzerland. Okay. So what does that mean?
It means this watch is from Switzerland.
Good. But tilka means that. Tilka and dhalika are that. Hada and hadihi is this. Okay.
So can we use dhalika and tilka in both the cases?
You can only use tilka here because this is feminine. How do we know it's feminine? Because of this ta marbuta you see here. Sa'atun is a feminine word. So we use tilka. Waladun is a masculine, right? Waladun is masculine. So we use dhalika. Both of these mean that. The meaning is the same. But when we write it, we have to write it depending on what the next word is. Similar for hada and hadihi. See here, hadihi. Baydatun is feminine because of this ta marbuta. See, haqibatun is also feminine. So we have to use a feminine word. Okay.
هذا قلم.
Very good.
This is a pen. لعباس. هذا القلم لأباس.
Very good. So what does this mean now? هذا القلم.
This pen is Abbas's.
Very good. هذا القلم. Next.
ذلك رجل. That is a man. الرجل. ذلك الرجل معزن.
Very good.
That man is a muazzin.
Very good. Good job. Next.
هذه بعيزة.
بيضة means egg.
Okay. This is an egg.
Very good.
هذه
هذه ال with alif lam.
هذه البعيدة كبير.
Very
This
good.
egg is big.
Very good. Next.
هذا منديل. What does منديل mean?
Mindil means handkerchief. Like a small towel.
Okay.
Or a tissue, right?
هذا منديل. هذا المنديل وسخ.
Good job. هذا المنديل وسخ. Next.
هذه حقيبة.
حقيبة. هذه حقيبة. حقيبة means garden.
هذه الحقيبة.
Sorry. حقيبة is bag. This is one of the words that I always tell everyone, and I also get confused. حقيبة and حديقة. See how similar they are? حقيبة and
So حقيبة means a bag, right?
yes, حقيبة is bag and حديقة is garden.
Okay. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس.
Good. هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. This bag is for the teacher. Belongs to the teacher. Okay. Very good. Good job, mashallah. See, you did it so well. So just try to watch the recordings and just try your best. And I'm here to help you. All right. So next one we have اقرأ المثال الآتية ثم كون أسئلة وأجوبة مثله. So read the following example, then make questions and answers on its pattern. All right. So we have Zainab, would you like to read?
Okay, ma'am. What's the heading?
Go ahead.
What's the heading, ma'am?
So over here, number 4. اقرأ المثال الآتية ثم كون أسئلة.
اقرأ المثال ثم
كون, yes. أسئلة. أسئلة وأجوبة. مثله. Very good.
Read the following example. Then make questions and answers on its pattern.
Very good. So what's the first example?
I don't get it, ma'am.
Okay, we'll read the example and it'll make sense. So this is the example here, مثال. So what does it say here? لمن هذا الكتاب? This is the question. Liman hadha al-kitabu. Yes, whose book is this? Right?
Yes.
Whose book is
Whose
this?
book is this?
And then here's the answer. هذا الكتاب لمحمد. This book is for
Book
Muhammad.
belongs is Muhammad.
Right, is Muhammad or belongs to Muhammad. So now we have to look at this picture here. What is this?
Key.
So this is a key, right?
Liman hadha.
Liman hadha
Hadhal miftahun.
miftahu, right? With one dhamma. Liman hadha al-miftahu. And what's the answer?
Can you please write it down?
Okay, I will try to write it out. It'll take a little bit of time, but here we go. Liman.
Okay.
Liman hadha.
Hadhal.
We'll write the same thing. Liman hadal al miftahu. Miftahu. Like this. And this will have one dhamma. Miftahu. Liman hadal miftahu. And what's the answer? You'll write the same thing. Hadal miftahu.
Hadhal miftahu li Muhammadin.
Okay, yes. Here the answer is Li Abbasin. So we'll just say Li Abbasin.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
So now what's this? What's this picture?
Liman hadha. I don't know what we should say for cars.
Car is sayyaratu. Right here. Look here. It's written
Sayyaratu.
over here. Sayyaratu. So sayyaratu is feminine. So we have to say hadhihi sayyaratu. We'll say
Okay,
liman.
ma'am.
Liman
Liman
hadhihi
hadhihi sayyaratun.
sayyaratu. Hadhihi sayyaratu. Liman hadhihi
Okay, ma'am.
sayyaratu. Who does this car belong to? Whose car is this? And what's
Hadhal
Hadhihi
sayyaratu.
hadhihi sayyaratu.
Sayyarati.
Hadhihi
Hadhihi sayyaratu. Sayyara.
hadhihi sayyaratu.
Hadhihi sayyaratu limu
Li aliyin.
li aliyin.
Good. Next.
Liman hadha. What do we say to cows?
Baqaratu. Baqaratu. So
Baqaratu.
baqaratu is also feminine. We have to say hadhihi.
Hadhihi bakaratun. Hadhihi. What should I say?
Liman hadhihil baqaratu.
Liman hadhihil bakaratu.
Hadhihil baqaratu. Lil fallahi.
Hadhihil fil
Lil fallahi. The farmer.
lil fallahi.
Yes, not for the mudir. The cow doesn't belong to the principal, right? It's going to belong to the farmer. This one is
Yes.
here. Hadhihil baqaratu lil fallahi. Okay, next.
Why there is principal also, ma'am?
Oh, I think we made a mistake actually. Pen here. Pen was supposed to be the first one. We skipped the pen. That's why we put miftah first. If we say pen here, then miftah, then car is for the principal. And then baqaratu lil fallahi. All right, last one, and then we'll let Samiha read.
Okay.
What's this here?
Hadha
Liman
liman hadha
hadhihil haqibatu.
hadhihil what?
Haqibatu. Haqibatu is bag.
Haqibatu li
هذا الحقيبة
مدرس.
هذه الحقيبة للمدرس. Okay. Whose bag is this? This bag is the teacher's. This is the teacher's bag.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why they have put page but
Sorry.
ma'am,
Yes. Go ahead, Zainab.
why have they written but al mudarrasu?
Yes. It's written al-mudarrisu, but when we say li, because when we say li, you have to change it to mudarrisi. Okay. If you don't understand that
Okay,
right now,
ma'am.
feel free. But for the others, this is a harf of jar, right? Li is harf of jar. It will make the next word majroor.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have to change it to lil mudarrisi. Okay, good job. That was a
Okay.
good question. Very good. Okay, now I'll let someone else read.
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead, Samiha, your turn. From number 6.
لمن هذا الكرسي؟
هذا الكرسي. لمن هذا الكرسي.
لمن هذا الكرسي؟
Mhm.
هذا كرسي عمار.
كرسي لي
كرسي لعمار.
لعمار. Good. With the tanween here. Next one, what do you see here in this picture here?
لمن هذا
So this is deek, right? This is a rooster. لمن هذا الديك.
لمن هذا الديك؟ هذا الديك لبنت الفلاح.
What does that mean?
The chicken,
A rooster. This rooster
belongs to the son of the farmer.
Bint is daughter.
Daughter of the farmer.
Farmer's daughter. Okay, next. What is this?
لمن هذا
So what is this in this picture here? It's a watch, right? So what's the word for watch?
I don't know.
Sa'atu.
ساعة.
Is sa'atu masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. Why? Because it's sa'atu, right? With this type of ta marbuta. So it's feminine. So what will
لمن هذه السيارة؟
هذه الساعة.
هذه الساعة.
Very good.
هذه السيارة.
هذه الساعة.
هذه الساعة ابن المدير.
لابن
المدير.
What does that mean?
This watch belongs to the son of the principal.
Very good. Next.
لمن هذا البيت؟ هذا البيت للطبيب. This house belongs to the doctor.
Very good. Last one.
لمن هذا المنديل؟ هذا المنديل للطالب. This handkerchief belongs to the student.
Good. But when we say للطالب, right? Because again, this is a harf of jar. So للطالب. هذا المنديل للطالب. This handkerchief belongs to the student. All right, very good. Go ahead, keep reading. So next one is تأمل الأمثلة الآتية. Read carefully the following examples. Go ahead.
البيت في البيت من البيت إلى البيت. المستشفى في المستشفى من المستشفى إلى المستشفى. أمريكا في أمريكا من أمريكا إلى الأمريكا. المانية في المانية من المانية إلى المانية.
Very good. So what do we see here? All right, let me explain it. So al-baytu, right? Here we have al-baytu, which is a noun, right? It's al-baytu means the house. This is the normal form. In its normal form, the words are ma'rifa. Marfu, right? Marfu means they have a dhamma at the end over here. This is marfu. These now, fi, min, ila, all of these are harf of jar. Harf jar. What does harf jar mean? These are prepositions. So when these prepositions are added, right? What happens to the noun? Al-baytu becomes al-bayti. See this? It becomes a kasra. Here as well, min al-bayti. All of these become kasra. Why? And it's called, it becomes majroor. Because this is a harf of jar, it becomes majroor. So this is for the normal word. Al-baytu, fil bayti, min al-bayti, ila al-bayti. In the house, from the house, to the house. These are prepositions. Okay. Now, when we have a word like this, al-mustashfa is a mabni word. Mabni means that it's stuck, right? It can't change. It's not mustashfu, mustashfi, mustashfa. It's always going to be mustashfa. Always, it's going to be the same. So even if you add fi, min, ila, it does not become fil mustashfi, min al mustashfi. It's still going to remain mustashfa. Okay. And it's the same for America and Almania. America and Almania are also names of countries. They are stuck like this. You're not going to have fi Ameriki, min Ameriki, right? It's always going to be America. And similarly for Almania. So don't get too confused about this part if you can't understand it completely. But pay attention on this one for sure. These words. The normal, most of the words will have different forms. Al-baytu, fil bayti, min al-bayti. All of these can change the form, right? Kitabi, al-kitabu can become kitabi. Madrasatu, it can become madrasati, right? And these words are mabni. They are stuck like this, so they can't change. Even when the harf of jar is added before it, it will become majroor, but you can't see that. You can't see it become amriki. Okay. So now we have iqra waktub, just to read and write. So Khadija, would you like to read?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
هذا الطبيب هذا الطبيب
هذا الطبيب
من
it's Inkaltara. Min Inkaltara. What does this mean?
هذا
Inkaltara is
الطبيب.
England.
Okay.
So what's the
This
meaning?
doctor is from England.
Very good. Next.
ذهب حامد إلى فرنسا.
Good.
Hamid.
Yes. Hamid went. Dhahaba means he went. Hamid went.
Hamid went to France.
Very good.
محمود مريض هو على في
Mustashfa.
المستشفى. Mahmoud is sick.
Very good.
What does alana mean?
Al-ana means now. Right now he is. Now he's in the hospital.
Now he's in the hospital. ذهب عبد الله
من ألمانيا
ألمانيا إلى إنجلترا. Abdullah went to
Almania is Germany and Inkaltara is England. Abdullah went from
Germany to England.
very good. From Germany to England. So see here, min and ila, they are both harf of jar. They are prepositions, right? But Almania and Inkaltara, they remain the same with an a ending. It does not become e. It cannot become Almani and Inkaltari. Okay? Because they're stuck. They're names of places. Next.
هذا الكتاب لعيسى وذلك الكتاب لموسى.
Very good.
This is Isa's, and that book
Ma'am, I have
is
send some messages.
هذا المهندس من أمريكا. What does مهندس mean?
Muhandis means engineer.
This engineer is from America.
Very good. Min America. Okay. This engineer is from America. So here, that's what we did. Again, just the mabni words, all of these mabni words, even after harf jar, they remain the same. Okay.
How do we identify the mabni words?
They are usually like this, names of places, America, Almania. And the other ones like this, Mustashfa, it ends with a, it ends like this, right? With a ya, but it's pronounced Mustashfa, like this, Isa and Musa. These are also names. So this meeting is just going to end. So I'll just rejoin the link quickly and then I'll explain it again, okay? I'm just going to end this one and rejoin the link.